Welcome to release question number 11 for the Algebra 2 CST release questions. It says which polynomial represents, and then you've got a trinomial times a binomial here. So let's work this out. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do this one. I think I'll show you both ways, but I'll just do it one way. So one way that I'm just going to show you is to take each term in this trinomial times each term in this binomial. So you can think of doing something like this, kind of like this, times both of those, and then this one times both of those, and then this one times both of those. That can kind of get messy if you do stuff like that though. So a lot of students prefer what I'm about to do here instead. They'll like to make a box, especially if it's not just 2 by 2, which is where we use that idea of FOIL, the first, outer, inner, last. We'll definitely be getting to that in later questions here, but this is a good way to tackle a problem like this. I think it makes it really easy for most students to see exactly what to do. So I'm just going to write the trinomial up here. I could have written that down here, but I've got my three term piece going this way and my 2 term piece going this way. So I have this and a minus 4. Over here I'll have 2x and a minus 5. So let's combine these together, multiply these together. That's exactly what I was going to be doing the way I had written it before, but it's just a little easier way to visualize how to do or what to do. So 2x times 3x squared, that'd be 6 for the coefficient. X times x squared would be x cubed. 2x times x, that's like a 2 times an invisible 1, so you have 2 for the coefficient. X times x, x squared. 2 times negative 4, negative 8, and you still have an x, so a minus x. Here we've got a negative 15 x squared. Here we've got negative 5 times x, and here negative times a negative will make a positive 20. And this was positive as well. If you want to write the signs in there, if they're positive you can, but definitely if they're negative you should be writing those signs in there. And then look here and here, looks like I can combine those together, and here, same thing. I can combine like terms together right here. And so I notice that this is all going to equal this multiplied together equals this in the end. I've got 6x cubed. Negative 15 plus 2 will be negative 13x squared. I've got negative 13 of those x squared pieces. I've got negative 13 or minus 13 x right there, and I've got plus 20. So final answer for this one looks like is choice B for number 11.